Welcome to Gismatrix. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage thematic maps. We will start by creating a new feature thematic map for our map objects. First, open the vector layer properties and choose to create a thematic map based on individual values. We select the width column as our data source and generate the categories. By clicking the Style Preview symbol, you can open the Edit Category dialog and easily customize the line width and color for each specific value. Once applied, the map updates instantly. Notice the Layer Control panel on the left side of the Gismatrix program window. Here, you can view the legends directly below the layer name, toggle category visibility, and quickly switch between different thematic maps using the drop-down list. In the second part of the video, we will create a new label thematic map. Back in the layer properties, we generate unique value categories for our labels, this time based on the Done column. By clicking the Label Style Preview, you can define the typography for specific categories, such as changing the font style to bold to make the labels stand out. Before applying, we move to the Label Options tab to configure additional settings, like adding a Y offset to move the labels away from the object. Please note that these additional label settings configured here will completely override your basic layer label settings. Click OK to apply the changes. Our map now beautifully displays the custom feature styles and offset labels. Furthermore, thematic maps in Gismatrix are completely dynamic. Editing an object's attribute will instantly update its thematic style and label directly on the map. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Gismatrix tutorials.